Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is quaint. It is pronounced quaint and spelt Q-U-A-I-N-T. Think Q-U and then ain't, A-I-N-T. Quaint means something is attractive and old-fashioned. It's charming in an old-fashioned way or a bit unusual. It's a way to describe something that is unique and interesting. For example, you could say the old cottage was quiet, quaint, and picturesque. Or the antique store was filled with quaint and fascinating objects. The word quaint comes from the Latin word quanitus, which means how great. Today, it is used to describe something in a positive way, but something that is specifically old. In the novel, The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, an old-fashioned wooden wardrobe serves as a portal to the magical land of Narnia, where talking animals, mythical creatures, and enchanting landscapes await. This large, old wardrobe could be described as quaint. Synonyms for quaint are charming, picturesque, old-fashioned, and unique. Antonyms for quaint include plain, modern, and simple. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, quaint. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.